Hello everybody, it's me, Digital Nomad Alex. And today's question is, what is a design sprint? Well, a design sprint is a workshop method to using design thinking methods to shorten the ideation process. Ideation process, what was that again? Well, simply put, what one do we want to develop next? I mean, you know the cycle, like you have the idea part, but you build, then you scrum, that's there, the method of choice when the IT department is doing something. You launch with your CRM system or with your PIM. And you learn through online marketing, business intelligence and measurement. And design sprints are exactly for the idea part. Well, often that part takes weeks, months, sometimes even years of discussion before you develop something, and sometimes your customers do not like it. So a design sprint compresses that in a 4-day workshop. Well, the best thing, of course, is you add another iteration week to that. I will explain in another video why that is good, but it's 2 4-day weeks. And that means massive amount of money that you save and a lot of resources that you spare. That is the one side. But the other side is that you are getting fast. You're becoming really fast, you get unbelievable traction, and that is a really cool thing because all the big companies have that traction and that speed. And with that, you are highly successful and you can be highly successful in the digital age. But advantages do not stop there. At the end, you don't have a prototype. Yes, we build a prototype. But we test the prototype with real users and you get validated and tested assumptions at the end. You do not ever again develop a tool, a feature or a service that your customer does not like and want, but you only focus on what excites your customer. And that means it fuels your growth. So that is, simply put, a design sprint. And think of how cool that is. Talking about how cool that is, well, think about the companies that are already using design sprints. You have like Facebook, Zalando in Germany, N26, a progressive digital bank. You have Google Ventures, who is using that and where actually this method was invented by a guy called Jake Knapp. You can see him here. And actually it was refined, that process, by AJ&Smart and famous Jonathan Courtney on the other side. So a design sprint gives you lots of traction, lots of speed, and is a fast-moving process, workshop format for your ideation process. Maybe you think now, well, that's interesting for me, or maybe the challenge I have right now, maybe I can solve that with a design sprint. Well then, get in touch with me. I just finished my design sprint masterclass with AJ&Smart, and they teach the cutting edge version of that method, and together with them, we all develop it further. So yeah, just give me a call, get in touch with me, and we see what we can do together. That would be really cool. Thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.